Hello everyone, welcome to day 26 of my Lead Code Challenge, and today's question is partitioning into minimum number of binary numbers. Let's try and understand the question. A Dexy binary number is a number that contains only 0 and 1 digits without any leading zeros. For example, 101, 1100 are Dexy binary numbers, whereas 112, 3001 are not. So now let's move on to the presentation. Just remember the definition of Dexy binary numbers. This will help us in understanding the question. So moving on to the presentation. So let's get started. Let me just take a pen here, start the slideshow. Lead code 1689. There's just one simple trick. If you understand the question properly, you will be able to solve it by yourself. And let's try to understand the question. The question says you can use any number of Dexy binary numbers containing 0 or 1 digits to generate a total sum of n, and n is given to us in the question. So the question asks us to use any number of Dexy binary numbers such that the total sum of such numbers give us the sum n, and we need to return the minimum number of such number used. So let's try and iterate over few set of examples. The first one being 1. So what will you use? You will simply use 1 itself. The second number being 12. So what two numbers you will use? The first one will be 11, and the second one will be 1. So the total of these two numbers gives us 12. And how many numbers did we use? 2. So let's try and understand it by another example. We have 13 now. The first number that we will use is 11. The remaining sum is 2. So 2 can be broken into two parts, 1 plus 1. The total hops required is 11 plus 1 plus 1. The answer is 3. So try and understand the pattern here. Next we have 32. So the biggest number containing 1 or 0 that can be generated is 11. So we'll break this number by 11. If we'll subtract 32 minus 11, it's 1. 21 is left. So 21, we'll again use another 11. Since the max such number is 11, that is of Dexy binary format, and the remaining one is 10. So how many numbers you'll use? 11 plus 10. And these are 3 such numbers. So out of 32, for 32 we need 3 such Dexy binary numbers. Now let's look at the next number. Next number is 54. So 54, let's try and break it. The maximum number, Dexy binary number up till 54 is 11. So we'll subtract 11 from it. We get 43. So 43 again can be reduced by 11. We get 32. For 32 we already know that it will require 3 such operations. So 32 needs 3 operations plus 40. For 43 we need 4. For 54 we need 5. So the answer is 5. And what is the breakage? 11 plus 11 plus 11 plus 11. 4 times 11 plus the last one is 10, because 32 can be broken into 11 plus 10 plus 11. So these are 3 such numbers, and the remaining 2 are for 43 and 54. So let's try and look at the next example. We have 101, and you can simply use 101 for handling 101 because it itself is a Dexy binary number. Let's try and look at the next example. We have 120. So for 120, which number you are going to use? The first number will be 110, because the maximum Dexy binary number up till 120 is 110. You'll subtract 10 and remaining one is 10. So 10 itself is a Dexy binary number. The answer is 2. The next number we have 600. So you'll use 100 for it. The maximum Dexy binary number that can be utilized is 100, and you will use 100 6 times. So the answer is 6. So if you try and analyze all the examples, you will see one thing in common. What is the maximum digit in this number? It's 3. So answer is 3. What is the maximum digit in this number? It's 5. The answer is 5. What is the maximum digit in this number? Is 1. The answer is 1. What is the maximum digit in 120? The answer is 2. It's 2. The answer is 2. And what is the maximum digit in 600? It's 6. The answer is 6. And let's validate it with a larger example. We have 82730. So the maximum number in Dexy-binary format that you will use is 11111, and you'll subtract this number from this. You will get 32617. Again you will do the operation. So 1 subtracting 11111, and you'll get 60512. Now since the 0 is attained at the second index, you will not use 1 here, you will use 0 here. So you'll subtract 1 0 4 1 1 1. You'll subtract this number from it. That is the maximum Dexy-binary number, and the answer would be 50401. Again you'll perform the operation. And what is the maximum Dexy-binary number that you'll subtract? You'll use 1 0 1 0 1, and here you will see that the result is 4 0 3 0 0. Now you have 3 such zeros in your number, so this place is also gone. Now in the Dexy-binary number you will have only 2 ones, and you'll subtract this number. So you have 3 0 2 0 0. Again you'll subtract 1 0 1 0 0, repeating the number, and we have 2 0 1 0 0. Again repeating the process, subtracting 1 0 1 0 0, and at last we have 1 0 0 0 0. So in this way, the last number itself is a Dexy-binary number, and it will subtract 1,10,000 from it. So the answer is 0. And how many such hops were required? 8 such hops were required. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So the answer is 8. In this way, we realize that the maximum digit that is there in the input number is our answer. Why I am saying this? Because once you know the maximum number in your input set, those many ones will be required to reduce it to 0. So whatever the maximum number is, whatever its index is, those many ones will be required to nullify it to 0. This is the explanation why max number is the answer. Now let's look at the coding part. The coding part is pretty simple. You identify the maximum number in your input set and simply return it as the answer. So let's just look at it for the sake of completion. So now let's look at the coding part. Here I have created a maximum digit variable that will store the maximum digit in my input number, and I looped over all the characters in the string n. I extracted the current digit and I assigned max digit equals to max digit comma digit, and I simply returned the digit part. So let's just submit this and let's see what happens. In the meantime, let's take the time complexity length of n, and the space complexity is order of 1. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have a great day ahead. Thanks for watching it.